Box cover, this is DuttyBerry, and I'm with Team.
Awesome.
Yeah, you know, we've been doing the challenge videos, so this is going to be the, what's it, you know? The smash or pass challenge. So, Kezzy right here, she's going to, you know, give us a celebrity, and we are going to say if we want smash or want pass, like pass along the line. Alright? Alright, Kezzy. That's it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
All day.
Dog. Dog.
All day.
In fact,
Yo, what's his
in fact,
No, Zendaya, hey, she should barely legal. Nickel money on this and stuff. That means a long time you have prayer. A long time you have prayer. She probably just 18.
She's over 18.
Because should just probably 19. Should reach 20.
Berry, I would put that on replay.
Should be
Elizabeth, the second.
Queen Elizabeth. Wow.
Queen Elizabeth the second.
Smash.
Yeah.
How many people can get to them?
Yo, you see me?
How many people are getting to that?
Yo, principle is an important thing, guys. Principle is
And to know that for your career.
Yeah.
Guys have sex because they love someone, not because they can.
You can't fall in love. You can't fall in love. She was a life.
Looks like a pleasant.
Plus, she's a married woman, isn't she? I don't
She
know.
married?
Yes,
She's a class in married.
Kardashian.
Why?
You know, I've never thought of this before.
You see if it was like when she just a boss?
Yeah.
But no, yeah.
Wait. So, you mean Ray J time?
Yeah, pre-Ray J time, like, yeah.
Okay.
But no, you kind of feel late to the party, you know, like, yeah.
Post Kanye, no.
Yeah.
I mean, that photo doesn't really, that's not.
No, that's not a real.
Yeah, that's not real.
I'm not okay with that.
Kim Kardashian, so.
It's like this.
What the hell is Kim Kardashian? Oh, God.
No.
No. Alright,
The
guys.
Kardashian
Seriously,
first.
seriously, you know, we smash the queen for some fun, but not.
We hold up like school challenge quiz. Pass!
Lou.
Yo, what kind of blasphemy is that?
Yeah.
Hold on, I don't say, listen, Kezzy.
No, wait. But I don't want to be disrespectful. So it's like I don't know, I don't want to make it look like me that the night, like the queen.
Yeah.
Like this is our queen.
Queen of Jamaica.
Like me no want, why some of that type in?
No. Alright, so my school fee don't pay, see? So I don't think the government can reach me again. So I'm gonna go with.
Yeah, let's say yeah, because Sex with Portia would go to the bang.
I abstain from.
Hold on.
No, give a joke some forward.
Not really.
Yeah, we're not
Don't
doing
do
that
that.
joke challenge here.
Alright, you know what? Next, Kezzy. Next. Got them off flat me.
I didn't see.
No,
Okay.
I abstained from voting in the last election and I'm abstaining from this as well.
Yeah, Portia.
Wait, Portia as well. Put the X beside our head.
Oh.
I'm not Jamaican. Oh.
And the head.
I'm Pute.
Yes.
No, say you wanna do that? Yeah.
Yes.
Yo, it's like his proudest picture.
Yes.
His proudest picture.
Yes. Smash. You cannot. There's something you see from place like it's like a bedroom
I don't have an
bully.
opinion on
A
this.
bedroom bully like you just know but you have like penis requirements, so that's the only thing. Can you remember someone I was like she said she only start at like 9.
Oh.
So if you're below 9 then
Yeah, I don't think I meet those requirements. Yeah.
you know what I'm gonna type on YouTube? Yes! Yes, Pampute.
I'm getting in.
Yes.
This is Craig's. This is
What's the die?
Craig, this one is for you. Yo, it's for Craig. Dog.
This is for Craig.
For Craig!
For Craig.
Big up Craig.
There you go. Anyway, I'm there.
Yeah.
So Craig, have a thing for die?
Yes.
What?
Yo.
What you doing? What is
No, we had beef, started thinking the spirit of the beef. We just-
Why didn't you have beef?
Yo, this nigga don't beef. Turn on the damn guy.
But she has really nice lips.
Yeah, man.
Ooh.
She has very nice
This
very
nigga don't beef that.
Man, I'm gonna make you say if you had seen.
she have very nice lips and I think that she has a very photogenic vagina.
What's up with the beef? Real quick.
No, it's just long time. I did do a video and she thinks somebody disrespect her because when they mentioned that she and Bella have argument and she kind of pissed. But she cool.
So this was your opportunity to get fucking.
No, I mentioned already that she have very nice lips.
Okay.
Like very nice lips.
That just know Team Awesome, we got you,
100.
right? We got you.
Her laugh, she have a very sexy laugh.
Me
Like, when she laugh,
want you. Me. want, yo.
And she eats pineapples and drinks lots of coconut.
So you know, so you have to be part of the equal.
Don't want to
Yeah, Sean, I'm moving.
So you know what that is. That's a part of the package. So you,
Sorry,
yeah,
If that's a...
yeah.
Next we have Blac
The
Chyna.
devil is a liar. Yo,
Man.
repent, repent.
Yo,
I've actually never seen her before.
are you
This
crazy?
is
Are
literally
you
the
dumb,
first
fam?
time I've ever seen her picture.
Pull him
But
up.
Joel, I said, Joel, like you want to say,
Oh,
like you want. Oh,
I'm just confused as to why she didn't pick like.
the little money with me have in my account now going.
I can't afford her.
Michelle Obama.
Who am I to turn down Michelle?
No,
Obama?
respect. You put some respect on Barack Obama wife.
Yeah, when are you?
Yo,
Yeah,
from day
yeah.
one.
I would do it in the most respectful way possible.
How do you have sex with the former president's wife in the most respectful way?
How she
I would
wants.
inform him before and
Oh,
after.
she
You would have like
wants.
agreements. I'd sign contracts.
People,
Clauses,
disgusting.
She just needs to
Disgusting.
tell me what I need
No,
to
no,
do.
no, no, Jeremy,
All
no,
the legal
Jeremy.
loopholes I need to go.
You have to do it in a
But of course, if I
respectful way.
find a loophole, I end up.
Between the three of you.
Yeah, you have a meeting first.
Yeah, you can't just put the president like
I
that.
don't mind.
But
That's the one meeting I won't follow.
No.
whatever needs to be done, whatever
Michelle Obama,
process
she
is.
doesn't have sex. She don't do them something there.
She
She's
has
not.
2 kids.
That was
Hey,
true
hey.
evaporation. I don't know how that works, but I just said that.
Can I borrow your card so I can double? I
Yeah.
know it's not
Yeah.
that. I mean, you're not gonna use it.
So now you have to double penetrate Michelle? Wow. Oh my gosh. Yo.
Only.
Oh, Oprah? Yes. Oh, sorry. Yes.
You get a smash.
Why
You
is that
get a
like
smash.
No, not running a train on Oprah. Like, why else up for this like teamwork, like running a train through Oprah?
Team awesome.
Oh, team awesome. Yo. Yo.
Team awesome.
Like, who would go first? Who would go first?
Yo.
Good eyes.
Good as.
Alright,
Oprah,
alright.
good
Yeah, I can't-
as.
Put some respect on Oprah name.
Next we have Lady Gaga.
Yeah, my next picture.
Next we have DJ Khaled's baby mama.
She seems like a
She
very
kinda does
mean
that.
human being in DJ Khaled snaps. All he
No,
wants to do is love her,
no, she
and
don't.
all she did on is I'll turn it around. All he wants to do is love his wife and his child, and she's like, turn off the damn snap,
shut
turn off the snap. No, she's a no.
I just don't like, as in, she's.
I like her, but she reminds me
She
of
doesn't
somebody
have
from
feeling.
that. No, she reminds me from one character in Hocus Pocus, and so I'm kind of like a little scared. I don't know why she reminds me of that character.
What?
I put a spell on you. You
It
remember that?
No, alright, guys.
You don't
remember.
Knows.
But she's
DJ
lovely.
Khaled's wife. She's loyal.
She the best.
She's smart.
She the
she's
best.
Maybe we should read this. School
No.
shut up. Go.
Okay.
Yo, hold on. Wait, maybe.
Life.
We'll never carry the one.
No.
No.
Alright, next.
Next we have Spice. Yes, that's what we like it.
Yeah, smash. Smash.
Based on how she likes it.
I feel like
In a way.
Spice would smash me.
Yeah.
So don't get me wrong.
Like don't like.
Definitely.
Like it's one of those things where I want to say yes because I would.
But she speaks very highly of her vagina, so
Yeah,
yeah,
like-
she said she's the best vagina in the world, and how she can
And
move it
me
and make it
like
clap
boom boom.
And so clearly, you don't want to deny yourself of the best vagina.
No,
in
but
the
then I
world.
might die because
Yeah.
I can't stay on the level like my cardio not up like that.
But
Last but not least, I
Yeah.
think that got closed.
oh God, hold on.
Who's that?
No, really?
Kizzy.
Whoa, Kezi.
Okay,
Kezi, you know what? That is.
Guys, this was
That. Well, people, thank you so much for watching this challenge.
Smash or pass.
Smash or pass challenge. Thank you, Edgar. Ah boy, the one to take the emotion.
You see me there? Move the picture! Move the picture!
You gone too far.
But yeah, so people, thanks for watching. Make sure that you hit the like button below, hit the like button. Make sure that you share, leave a comment as well. And don't forget to subscribe. And this is Team Awesome, so make sure you follow them on them Instagram, social media, tell the people them.
YouTube.
Yeah guys, so we do videos, more longer videos, travel videos. It's a bunch of stuff. I can't remember them right now. But you can subscribe to us on YouTube at Team Awesome JA. We are actually publishing a whole lot of stuff. Instagram Team Awesome JA, Twitter Team Awesome JA1, Facebook Team Awesome Jamaica, but especially YouTube. Please subscribe, like, share it, and if you like it and want to be a part of the team or want to be a part of our videos, just comment, message us on any of our platforms. We're here for you.
Alright people, peace out, take care, box go on. Oh god, that was deep.
Who is next?
Caitlyn Jenner.
Yeah.
Stylo. Is this a woman?
No. Ikaw pa na amo. Why you're on bro? Yeah. You're on bro. Next.